Welcome back to Technify, your trusted space for exploring the latest and most creative innovations in the drone world. Today, we're taking a deep dive into a compact drone designed for pure fun, effortless creativity, and stress-free flying, the DJI Neo 2. This isn't a cinema-level powerhouse, and it doesn't try to be one. Instead, it's built for beginners, travelers, vloggers, and anyone who wants a tiny drone that delivers excitement without complication. From flight experience and durability to real-world camera performance, quirks, and overall ease of use, we're breaking down everything you need to know. So let's jump straight into it. The DJI Neo 2 takes a refreshing approach compared to other mini drones. Its focus is on simplicity, comfort, and confidence, making it ideal for first-time flyers or creators who prefer flying without stress. It sits right in the sweet spot, easy enough for beginners but still capable enough to deliver creative, eye-catching shots. The people who will get the most out of the Neo 2 include new pilots looking for a safe learning platform, travelers who need a lightweight drone that fits easily in a bag, and casual vloggers who want quick, creative angles without a complicated setup. It also appeals to FPV-style enthusiasts who want the goggles experience without the difficulty of building or tuning an FPV rig. Even experienced pilots may appreciate it as a safe indoor drone or handy backup. One of the biggest strengths of the Neo 2 is how durable it is. The built-in prop guards and compact body make it excellent for tight spaces and indoor flying. Light bumps typically leave only minor marks, which adds confidence for beginners. The only real weak spot is the rear antenna area, which can bend under pressure if stored incorrectly. Using a proper case solves this effortlessly. Battery handling is simple but comes with a few characteristics. The batteries may feel tight when pulling them out at first, but this is completely normal. Just pull upward without twisting. Battery life drains more quickly in windy conditions, fast climbs, sport mode, or cold weather. On the other hand, the batteries cool quickly and recharge efficiently with the hub. Anyone planning to capture multiple shots will want at least one or two spare batteries, just like with action cameras. The camera system on the Neo 2 is built for casual, everyday creativity rather than professional work. It features a half-inch sensor that produces 12-megapixel photos and sharp 4K video up to 60 or 100 frames per second, depending on the controller used. The combination of a 2-axis gimbal and electronic stabilization delivers smooth, social media-ready footage. DJI's color tuning looks great straight from the camera with pleasing highlights and clean whites. However, this is not intended for heavy color grading. It doesn't offer raw photos, D-Log, or the wider dynamic range found in DJI's higher-end models. It's best suited for travel clips, vlogs, and creative short shots. The Neo 2 relies entirely on internal storage, offering enough space for short, creative flights without needing a micro SD card. High frame rate footage fills up space faster, so users should transfer files regularly to avoid running out of space mid-flight. This approach simplifies things, especially for beginners who often forget memory cards. Flying over water is completely safe when done correctly. Reflections and moving surfaces can confuse downward sensors, so keeping the drone at least 2 to 3 meters above the water ensures smooth flight. Beginners should avoid flying too low over waves or dark surfaces, and always make sure there is a strong GPS lock before taking off. The obstacle sensing system adds a meaningful safety layer. It performs very well with large, solid objects like walls, trees, furniture, and vehicles. But like all drones, it struggles with thin branches, wires, shiny surfaces, and fast-moving obstacles. It's best to treat the sensors as helpful assistance rather than absolute protection. In real-world use, flight times differ from the rated number. Expect around 10 to 12 minutes of normal flying and about 14 to 15 minutes with slow, gentle movement. Windy conditions or sport mode can shorten that further. Each battery delivers one short, enjoyable flight session, making spare batteries essential for longer outings. At around 151 grams, the Neo 2 stays under the common 250-gram category in many regions, making it easier to fly in more places with fewer restrictions. It's also less intimidating to people nearby because of its small size and quiet operation. Despite this, the drone is still powerful enough to require responsible flying. The Neo 2 supports DJI's latest generation of controllers and goggles, including the RC2, RCN3, RCN2, Motion Controller 3, FPV Remote Controller 3, Goggles 3, and Goggles N3. Older controllers are not supported. For anyone already using newer DJI gear, being able to reuse their controller or goggles is a big advantage. Overall, the DJI Neo 2 stands out as a drone designed for pure enjoyment. It's not aiming to replace a professional tool. It's aimed at creators, travelers, beginners, and anyone who wants a smooth, friendly, and creative flying experience. If you understand its battery behavior, storage design, and sensor limits, it delivers a surprisingly rewarding flight experience. The recent buzz surrounding the supposed DJI Pocket 4 images online also added interesting excitement. The images showed unusual button placements, rotating screens, and even a rear display, features that immediately made many users skeptical. Even the original uploader suggested the pictures might be AI-generated, yet they spread quickly across social platforms with users asking for confirmation. While nothing is officially verified, the viral reaction shows just how much anticipation exists for DJI's next pocket camera. Thanks for watching Technify, where we bring you clear, exciting, and real-world tech insights. The DJI Neo 2 proves that flying doesn't need to be complicated. It can be simple, creative, and incredibly fun. Whether you're exploring new places, capturing quick aerial shots, or just learning the basics, this little drone delivers a refreshing combination of safety and creativity. If you enjoyed this breakdown, make sure to stick with Technify for more detailed reviews, comparisons, and updates on the latest gear shaping the world of drones and tech. Your support keeps us going, and we'll see you in the next one.